These important features remind you to fasten seatbelts. The light illuminates whenever the ignition is in the on position. It stays on until the driver's seatbelt is fastened. The chime also sounds for a period of time unless the driver's seatbelt is secured. The seatbelt warning light may also illuminate if the front passenger's seatbelt is not fastened when the front passenger's seat is occupied. Your vehicle may also be equipped with a seatbelt reminder for the second and third row seats. It will not go on for a period of time after the ignition is turned on, allowing time for passengers to buckle up. When buckling rear seatbelts, ensure that the seatbelt is connected to the correct corresponding buckle, or the seatbelt warning may be triggered and the chime will continue to sound. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.